फास्टिंग करने का मन नहीं है तो आज ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं। बेसिकली इवनिंग मील जो होता है एग और ब्रेड और चाय और सुबह। सो नो इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग, ब्रेकफास्ट टुडे। ब्रेकफास्ट कंप्लीट और ब्रेकफास्ट की कैलोरीज थी 501 विद 35 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन। अब मेरे पास बची हैं अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1200 टू 1300 कैलोरीज और ये मैं रात को जो मेरा डिनर है उसमें कंप्लीट करूँगा, बट बीच में एक प्रोटीन शेक लूँगा। सो 300 कैलोरीज का प्रोटीन शेक हो जाएगा और 1000 कैलोरीज का डिनर। सो आई विल पोस्ट आफ्टर डिनर। 500 कैलोरीज 5 मिनट में ख़त्म और बर्न करने के लिए 1.5 घंटा। टाइम टू टेस्ट कॉफी बैच नंबर 1। स्मेल इज गुड। अब इसकी बनाते हैं ब्लैक कॉफी। ये ब्लैक कॉफी वाओ, यही टेक्सचर मुझे चाहिए था। सो लेट्स ट्राई द कॉफी नाउ। इसमें जो टेक्सचर आया है आई होप यू कैन सी। ट्राई करके देखते हैं कि क्या ये वही कॉफी है जो मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ। सिमिलर, वेरी वेरी सिमिलर। इट्स एन अमेजिंग ब्लैक कॉफी। आई थिंक आई विल गो विद दिस। चीयर्स। सो मॉर्निंग वॉक कंप्लीट और मैंने 7,500 स्टेप्स करे हैं। अभी बजे हैं 11 और जिम में जाऊंगा आई थिंक 1 बजे के आसपास और तब मैं अपना जिम का वर्कआउट करूँगा। मैं भी लेग्स करूँगा आज और बाकी अपडेट करूँगा आफ्टर माई जिम एंड आफ्टर माई प्रोटीन शेक। एंड रात को मेरा मेन मील होगा। सो अभी के लिए 7,500 स्टेप्स पूरे दिन के अंदर करने हैं 15,000। बट राइट नाउ आई विल टेक अ ब्रेक, आई विल टेक सम मोर कॉफ़ी एंड देन जिम 1 बजे। See you. Try to take some videos in the gym. अगर नहीं ले पाया तो then I'll update after my gym. पता नहीं आज क्या हुआ यार, भूख लगे जा रही है। पहले सुबह मैंने अंडा ब्रेड खाया, चाय पी, उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ी सी इडली खा ली। अभी ब्लैक कॉफी पी रहा हूँ, फिर भी भूख लग रही है। अभी मैंने थोड़े से नट्स खाए, आलमंड्स, वॉलनट और मिक्स सीड्स और साथ में एक बनाना। अब कुछ नहीं खाऊंगा। भूख बहुत लग रही है, नींद भी आ रही है। आई हैव नो आइडिया क्या हो रहा है। शायद आज जिम नहीं जाऊंगा। 1 घंटा सोता हूँ, उसके बाद शाम को देखता हूँ क्या करना है। सो पोस्ट वर्कआउट इवनिंग अपडेट। अभी पार्क में स्टेप्स करके आया हूँ और टोटल पूरे दिन में अभी तक 21,000 हो गए जो घड़ी दिखा रही है। अब और कोई स्टेप्स नहीं करने, अब सिर्फ घर में रिलैक्स करना है। और आज डिनर बाहर है तो बाहर का खाना होगा। बाकी अपडेट करूँगा डिनर के बाद। वैसे 90 ml वोडका में करीबन 200 कैलोरीज है। अगर मैं कैलोरीज को अकाउंट में करूँ तो मैं 200 कैलोरीज का वोडका पी सकता हूँ। कल वैसे भी जिम नहीं जाना सुबह तो वर्कआउट में भी हैम्पर नहीं करेगा। 60 ml पी के देखूँ 90 की बजाय। 60 से मेरा कुछ होता नहीं है, पीऊँगा तो 90 पीऊँगा। 200 कैलोरीज है, 90 ml। देखते हैं 90 ml वोडका। सो फाइनली डिसाइड करें कि 90 ml वोडका। तो ये है 90 ml वोडका। इसे फ्रीजर में रखता हूँ, नहा के आऊँगा, फिर कैच क्लियर डाल के इसको पीता हूँ। Done with 90 ml. Now making another 30 ml. That's the problem with alcohol. तो ये लेसन है आपके लिए कि शुरू मत करो when you are on a plan, और अगर शुरू करो तो फिर सोच लो कि कैलोरीज का तो गया, बैंड बच गया, मगर मज़ा बड़ा होता है। ऐसे भूख नहीं लग रही इतनी मेरे को ये पीने के बाद। सो आई थिंक कि मैं खाने में शायद थोड़ा इसको मैनेज कर लूँ। So post dinner update. Fried chicken, grilled chicken, pizza, burger, paratha, everything. I think 700 कैलोरीज के आसपास इजीली होगा। वोडका 120 ml हो गया था, उसके बाद ये सब खाना, बट आई एम फीलिंग ओके। अब कल करते हैं डे 6 ओवर, नथिंग लेफ्ट फॉर द डे। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू स्लीप। और कल पूरा दिन फास्टिंग करनी है क्योंकि आज सुबह फास्टिंग नहीं करी। सो टुमारो आई विल कम विद एन अपडेट ऑफ द वेट अगेन। और कल फास्टिंग करके कल रात को फिर शायद एक पार्टी है तो आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बियर। ये गलत हो रहा है मगर क्या करें अब, यू नो लाइफ स्टाइल ऐसा है, मैनेज करना पड़ रहा है। बट कैलोरीज मेंटेन कर रहा हूँ। थोड़ा प्रोटीन आज शायद कम हो गया था, 100 के आसपास होगा, बट कैलोरीज अंडर कंट्रोल है. आई होप सो. पूरी तरीके से मेजर तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट आई होप सो. एनीवेज, नेक्स्ट वीक से प्रॉपर मैनेज करूंगा. बट कल फास्टिंग पूरा दिन, और उसके बाद इवनिंग मील और रात को डिनर. दैट्स इट. 2 meals tomorrow. So day 6 ending now. See you tomorrow with another update. So, this is the effect of drinking a lot consecutively for 3 days. I had a couple of drinks, but the hangover was continuing from Friday to Saturday to Sunday. I haven't slept properly. You can see the dark circles. It develops like this. In just 2 days, in fact, 2.5 days, what happened due to over alcoholism, I am back to day one. So I just wanted to share this with you, that this is what happens when you go off your plan and you indulge in something like this, where you eat a lot, where you drink a lot, and you don't sleep properly. This is what happens. Now I have decided that I have no plans further, and even if I have, I'll control my intake of alcohol. Those 6 days of effort is gone. I have to start again. That's why you're not reaching your goal. That's why you're not getting your results, because you start day one, and on day 6 or 7 you do something that takes you back to day one. That's been repetitive with me for a long time, and that is what is happening with you always. So you have to decide, you have to fix up a deadline for you to enjoy those delicacies, those alcohol indulgences, those parties. You have to decide, you have to be very clear with that. You cannot crash diet and you can achieve your goal, and neither you can do an overindulgence in stuff like high calorie foods, high oily foods, high sugar foods, and too much alcohol. You can never achieve your goal. You have to be very, very strict with your regime, your daily regime. Food and sleep and water, these are the main things. Exercise makes an effect, definitely it does, but you do it for 1 hour a day, and in 1 hour you just burn 3 to 500 calories. That's it. Exercise definitely does take you a step up, but the major impact is always from what you eat, what you drink, how you sleep. That's the main, those are the two main components: your sleep and your nutrition, main components. Then comes your activity. That's the third component that you should be looking at. So if you don't correct these, the first two, the third one is not going to work. So sleep is not proper, diet is not proper, workout is not going to do anything. You can never achieve your goals. It's impossible. You work out every day and you eat shit food, you eat high calorie food, you drink, you can never achieve your goal. You'll stay same. It's like, kind of a ping pong effect. You go down, you go up, you go down, you go up, you go down, you go up. It's like that. So you're never gonna achieve that. You have to follow a plan. You have to, stick to the system. It is very important. So that's what I'm doing again. I just wanted to make this video to make you understand that if somebody like me who's been training for past 7-8 years regularly, on and off, it was more even earlier, has been doing it regularly, even for somebody like me, just 1 or 2 days of partying and drinking and eating has such an effect. It increases your weight, although I don't believe in the scales. I mean, like 1 or 2 kg up and down doesn't matter at all. But the goal that I have to achieve, I am back to day one. I have to start all over again. And it's not more like only the physical thing, it is more of a mental thing. When you know that you have stepped up 6 stairs and then something happens and you fall down and you have to go up again. So that falling down and going to step zero is actually a big, big setback to your mental state. and then you have to do it again, and then you have to get up, and then, I mean, like, this is crazy. And this 24, 48 hours of, kind of rebuilding yourself for that, another, 7 days of diet and workout, it's really crazy. That's what you have to sacrifice when, you go drinking and you party and you everything, and that's what you sacrifice. You sacrifice your, you the effort that you put in. Either you sacrifice what you've done, or either you sacrifice your drinking thing. You have to set up something. You have to set up a deadline. You have to set up a goal line for you to enjoy that drink. If you talk to me now, I seriously, I sincerely feel like not feeling like drinking again ever. I know it's not possible. I know it's just an outcome of how I'm feeling now. But I think and I feel that if you have to drink, it has to be in limits. You have to maintain your limits. And if you have to party, if you have to drink, then you should have the next 2 to 3 days of total relaxation. If you have that, if you go on a holiday and if you have that, then it's fine. Although I still don't recommend, I have done it, I don't like it. Although I still don't, accept that. You can do it. But my recommendation to myself as of now is absolutely no to alcohol, and absolutely no to high calorie foods. Alcohol is the main problem, I'll tell you. High calorie food, you can, jump up your calories from 2000 to 2500 to 3000. You can cover that up the next day. But the effect of alcohol that it has on your sleep takes a toll on your brain for the next 2 3 days. So as of now, I'm just shutting this down, and I'm gonna go back to my old regime. I'm gonna start all over again, and this time I'm making a point. It's 10th June. I am not going to have anything, at least for next 30 days. Nothing. I mean, it's majorly alcohol. No alcohol for the next 30 days. I have one another engagement in July, another party that I have to attend. I'll just stick to that. That even there also, I should not get overindulgent in any kind of alcohol. I should not. I'll try my best. But I have this 90-day plan for myself to transform me, and I am definitely going to this time not have any kind of alcohol, like too much alcohol or anything like that, for the next 90 days. It's going to be very calculated, very streamlined, and my sleep, I'm going to work on it, and I have to work on it. So I'm starting again. It was 1st June, now it's 10th June. I'm starting again on 10th June, and I'm going to do it this time correctly. And that's a promise to myself. And that's the promise you have to give yourself too. You have to start all over again if you are falling back. There's no problem. Get back, do it again. So, starting today, one more time, starting again. Wishing myself all the best. And you also wish me the best so that I can do it. And wish you the best for your journey, for what you are trying to achieve, for your goals. And see you tomorrow with the first vlog. Once again, day 1, starting tomorrow, once again. See you.